friend. I'm not the one that is sending it. Who gave you the address? You should message the person. Message him.
Guys, mga boss, may na-pick up na tayong booking. Ayan. Kasi itong papuntang Mendez na pick up na natin. So itong Bacoor to Imus, ito yung problema ko ngayon. Hindi ko makontak yung yung pinaka pick up dito sa Tama naman yung subdivision niya, kaso yung Black and Lot walang nakalagay. So tawagan natin yung tinatawagan ko yung yung pick up itong number ng pick up, hindi naman sumasagot. So tinawagan ko yung drop off, English naman, parang negro yata to. Kanina ko pa tinatawagan to hindi sumasagot. Wala kasing Black and Lot. Hindi ko alam kung marunong tong nag-book or hindi. Parang siya foreigner. Tawagan natin ulit yung yung drop off. Mag almost 10 minutes na ako dito. Ay 15 minutes na yata. Hello. Hello sir.
Hello po.
Hello sir. Ha?
Call the sender.
Ano pa?
You call the sender on phone. Call the sender on phone. I'm the receiver.
What sir? I don't understand sir. What?
The sender there that you are. Call the sender on phone now.
I don't understand talaga sir. What Black and Lock in this pick up there sir?
Where are you now? Where are you? Let me know as what you are saying. Where are you?
I'm here nga sir in pick up location. No Black and Lot the booking. No Black and Lot this booking sir. Kaya I ask you what Black and Lot.
My friend, I'm not the one that is sending it. Who gave you the address? You should message the person. Message him.
No, I don't reply me. Putang ina mo. Putang ina, bad trip. Abala to. Kanina ko pa tinatawagan Hirap kasi pag ganito mga foreigner Mga negro to. Putang ina, abala pa tuloy. Wala sir. Walang ganun pangalan doon. Ay, doon pala yan sa kabila. Thank you. Bad trip Cancel na lang natin to, putek. Kanina ko pa talaga tinatawagan. Tinitext ko na rin, hindi nagre-reply. Putik na yan, nakakabuisit